This lesson is a step-by-step basic lip construction of the profile view of the lips. Again, we will be doing more detailed approaches to the lips as we work through face templates, but for now this is a great way to get started. We're going to be using measurable and observable mindsets as we use direct observation and sighting. So remember, with sighting we are measuring using our pencil. So to start with the profile, we're going to start by looking at the person we're drawing. We're going to start by drawing the center line of the lips. Again, you do not need to be overly detailed creating the contour line between the lips to start, but you do need to be sure to measure and draw the angle of the center line. So I'm going to get in and measure. And it appears as though there's just a slight angle up. I might change that angle just a little bit. It's a little better. Then we're going to measure and draw the angle of each lip from the center line of the lips to the upper and lower edges of the lips. This will establish the basic upper and lower lip planes that you'll be using. So I'm going to measure that height. So I've got that height there. And let's get the height on the other side. This one's just a little bit bigger. Height there. And we can pull that angle down. Then we're going to measure and draw the angle of the front of the lips, again using sighting. Remember that everybody's a little bit different. Some people's upper lip sticks out a little further, some people have their lips that are even. In this particular case, the lower lip is sticking just a little bit forward. So as you're looking at the angle of the lip, it's out just a little bit. So it's coming through about like that. Then we're going to divide the lip planes into smaller shapes in order to create the illusion of form. So when we're looking at the portrait, there are 3 shapes that make up the upper lip and 2 shapes that make up the lower lip. When we are looking at the profile view on the upper lip, we're only going to see 2 of each. So I'm going to come in, and when I start with my upper lip, this angle starts us off, and then we've got a little bit of a curve down. And then on the bottom, remember that this curves out just a little bit. And then I've got that bottom out shape. From that point, we're going to use direct observation to create the final lip contour lines that form around the shape of the planes of the lips. So this one comes down kind of straight. It comes in, you see that little notch, and then it kind of curves down, and then it's got that angle that's coming up. This is curving down. And that bottom lip there just kind of continues through. So that is a step-by-step basic lip construction of the profile view of the lips.